Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be doing a dip mani featuring the BBB Duo of the Week from Kozmik Nails. Every Monday a new one is released, and for that week you can get it at a discounted price, available in multiple sizes. So this first color is Vintage Vibes. It's just this really pretty solid teal. And then we have Retro Rosie, which has a mix of fine glitters and chunky circular glitters. Along with the BBB, a new theme pack was also released on Monday. The theme packs come with 2 new dips, stickers, decals, and 6 new wraps. You can buy the theme pack as a bundle, or you can buy it all individually. So right here I am going in and applying a layer of clear because I want a color block, and I learned that putting tape on my peel base just made my peel base come off. So going back to the theme pack real quick, it is called the Old School Tattoo, and it's just a bunch of different Sailor Jerry styled tattoos for your nails. This is a mani done by Christy, the owner of Kozmik Nails, using the theme pack. I didn't film myself cutting out the piece of tape, but I just took a piece of Scotch tape because it's all I had on hand, and I just cut it at an angle, and then I just laid it on my finger. I also decided to color block on my middle finger, but I'm going to do opposites. The other part I didn't film was removing the tape. You should let your dip dry before you try to remove it. So this is what it looks like after you remove the tape. All you're going to do now is just follow the line that the other color created. So now I'm going to clean up my dip while my hand dries. I like to store them in this container that I get from Amazon because I'm prone to losing things, and small baggies of dip powder would never be seen again if I didn't store them in a container. I love these colors together so much. This was my first time color blocking with the piece of tape, and I'm actually pretty impressed with how it turned out. As always, everything I used will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.